Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal wallet address. A lot of people get confused about this, so don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal wallet address, and we'll go through this process step by step in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to PayPal or just need a refresher, this guide will help you access your wallet address quickly and easily. First, let's get started by heading over to the PayPal homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the PayPal URL, or click on the link provided to directly navigate to the PayPal landing page. Once you're there, the next step is crucial for accessing your account details securely. Look for the Login button on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll want to create one by signing up. But in this video, we're focused on those who are ready to log in. Now, enter your username and password and make sure they're correct so you don't face any login issues. Once logged in, PayPal might ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. You might see an option to get a text message, either via WhatsApp or a standard text sent to your registered phone number. Click on the Get a WhatsApp Text or Get a Text option based on what's available or convenient for you. This step adds an extra layer of security, super important to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the PayPal homepage. This dashboard gives you a summary of your recent transactions and your account balance. From here, navigate to the Settings icon. It's usually shown as a gear symbol in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this takes you into the Settings menu where you can manage your account details. Once in Settings, you'll see various options on the left side of the screen. What you're looking for today is under Profile. Click on Account Options, and this will guide you to where your account specifics, including personal details, are managed. From your profile page, direct your attention to Emails. Clicking on Emails will display the email addresses associated with your PayPal account. And here's the key part. Your PayPal wallet address isn't an actual crypto-style wallet address. Instead, it's simply the primary email linked to your PayPal account. This email is what's used to send and receive payments through PayPal. And there you have it. You've located your PayPal wallet address by understanding that your primary email is your wallet identifier. Remember to keep your email secure, as it plays a vital role in receiving payments and conducting transactions safely and seamlessly on PayPal. Outro. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next one.